I am Faith, and I'm proud to introduce to you the Shield Apartments by Vira. This is more than just a property. It's a vision for safe, modern, and stylish living in Abuja. Here are the Shield Apartments. Every block is placed with care. So from above here, you can see what makes the project unique. The location, the scale, and the progress. Having a property does not have to feel out of reach. With Vira, there is a flexible payment option that helps you plan, invest, and grow. The Shield Apartments are already in high demand. Spaces are limited, so don't wait. Secure your units today and send us a DM. Let's get you started on owning your Abuja property and also living comfortably.